Installing a bezel detection switch with cable. Align the opening of the bracket with the guide pin on the chassis, and then slide the bezel detection switch toward the guide pin. Push the switch as shown until it is seated in place. Fasten the screw to secure the switch. Connect the bezel detection switch cable to the system board. Reinstall the following components: processor air baffle, all the PCIe assemblies, if applicable the internal drive cage, top cover, if applicable the security bezel. Refer to the Installing a Processor Air Baffle video to complete the parts replacement.